Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I am hosting the Pop the Balloon April 12th, along with my sister, Lady the Comedian. No, I'm her co-host. I'm like, that's Batman, I'm Robin. You feel me? But, ladies, we're trying to get you booed up before the summer. Yeah, we trying to fuck shit up. Look, we're going to get the red balloon. Look, pop, there you go. Pop the